So this is the box I received as a joining kit from IBM. Maybe I will be getting a bag or something like that. Not sure. I don't have a cute knife, but I do have a rampuri. I use this to cut my vegetables. I will use this.
One eternity later.
Ta-da! How do So it has a letter. Welcome to IBM.
Okay.
A bag, a blue colored bag. Actually, they should have given me black.
अच्छा हमको सिखा रिया है.
Let's see what's inside it. Okay, a few items here. A pen, basically a gift pen. A keychain, which is 50-year calendar as well, something like this. An iCard strap, blue one. Everything is blue now. You might be asking why they've given me blue. Initially, I got this sky blue one, and now they have given me the dark blue. And here, not sure what it is. 2025 batch. Seems like a bottle. I don't want it to be blue. This is So this is all I got.
खत्म. बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय.